Hickory is a hardwood species that belongs to the Juglandaceae family, with the scientific name Carya spp. It is known for its strength and versatility, and is highly sought after for a variety of uses. The lifespan of hickory trees is between 150 to 200 years. Some trees can live up to 300 years with seeds that are just as old. Hickory has a unique grain pattern which is usually straight, but can also be wavy or irregular. It has a coarse texture and a medium gloss. The sapwood is pale in color and is commonly referred to as white hickory, while the heartwood is reddish-brown and is referred to as red hickory. Hickory is a popular choice for tool handles, tools, furniture, and more. It is renowned for its strength and durability, making it an ideal choice for applications that require strength and longevity. Hickory is available from sustainable and legal sources and can be easily sourced from a variety of suppliers. American hickory and pecan are often processed and sold together due to their similar appearance in logs. Hickory is difficult to machine and glue, and is tough to work with hand tools. Pre-boring is recommended when nailing or screwing to prevent splitting. Despite these challenges, it finishes well with sanding and polishing. Hickory is prone to large shrinkage and may warp under fluctuating moisture conditions. We typically source our hickory from the Appalachian and northeastern regions of the U.S., which is the primary area that hickory grows. Heartwood tends to be light to medium brown, with a reddish hue. Sapwood is a paler yellowish-brown. Boards with contrasting heartwood and sapwood create a somewhat rustic appearance that's sometimes marketed as calico hickory. Grain is usually straight, though occasionally wavy with a medium texture. When it comes to pricing and availability, various species of hickory and pecan from the Carya genus are typically mixed together and simply sold as hickory. Prices are usually in the low to mid-range, depending upon local availability. Hickory prices should, more or less, compare similarly to other utility hardwoods such as red oak or soft maple. Common uses: tool handles, ladder rungs, wheel spokes, flooring, furniture, cabinetry, firewood, smoking wood, drumsticks, and baseball bats. Hickory is among the hardest and strongest of woods native to the United States. On average, hickory is denser, stiffer, and harder than either white oak or hard maple. The wood is commonly used where strength or shock resistance is important. Shagbark hickory falls into the true hickory grouping, and is considered to be a ring-porous wood. The strength characteristics of hickory are influenced considerably by the spacing of its growth rings. In general, wood from faster-growing trees with wider-spaced growth rings tends to be harder, heavier, and stronger than wood from slower-growing trees that have rings which are closer together. In addition to strength and hardness applications, the wood of Carya species also has a very high thermal energy content when burned, and is sometimes used as fuel wood for wood stoves. Additionally, hickory is also used as charcoal in cooking meat, with the smoke imparting additional flavor to the food. Also, did you know hickory trees help clean the air? They soak up a lot of carbon dioxide. This makes the air better in cities and countryside. Thanks for watching.